Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for stopping back by. And if this is your first time, welcome to andthatisTrice. I am of course Trice, and I also appreciate you for stepping into my space. So today, y'all, we are just doing this really soft, it depends on what you consider soft, type of romantic. It's more romantic. We're gonna say romantic. We're doing this romantic look, and it's a look. We are using the Morphe 35M palette. This is the only palette I dipped in. I did that on purpose. I wanted this to be a you only go to one palette. I only use like 3 colors with the exception of a shimmer. There's a pop of glitter in the middle. But of course, feel free to substitute some things if you would like. Skip a couple steps. Make it your own. You don't have to always follow makeup tutorials exactly. But if this is the look that you like, go ahead and keep watching to see how I got it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. So as I always say, without further ado, if you want to see how to get this pretty halo, mauve, whatever this is type of look, then just keep on watching. Let's get it go. So I am taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain to prime my eyelids for eyeshadow, and I'm not going to set this. I'm just going to blend it out and go straight into shadow. So now I'm taking these 2 colors in the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette, and I am just taking that color on the outer corner and blowing it to the inner corner. So I didn't start off in my crease. I started off on the outer edges, and then I'm using this Morphe M441 brush, which is perfect for this kind of activity. And I'm placing it down, and then I'm softly blowing it towards the center and the inner corner. So take your time, make it as intense as you want, but that is what I am doing here. Then I'm making sure I get those inner corners because those can go untouched and neglected, and we don't want that for this type of look. So now I'm going into this darker mauve shade, and I'm placing that kind of where I put the other 2 colors just to deepen it a little bit so it's not just flat. And then I'm taking this Wet n Wild brush. It's a fluffy brush, and I'm diffusing the edges so that they are nice and seamless. Now I'm going into this shimmery shade at the top, and I'm placing that in the center of my lid with my finger. So these shimmers work best with a finger instead of a brush. That's what I figured out. So I'm just taking my time and placing that in the middle. Now I'm taking this NYX liquid crystal liner, and I'll have it down in the description box. But I'm placing that on top of that shimmery shadow so it would really pop, okay? So it would pop out, stand out, be the star of the show. And I'm just adding the glitter as I see fit. You can add a light layer or you can go ham, go nude it, but that's up to you. So now I'm taking these 2 mauve shades I started with and just trying to create the halo effect by placing the shadow back in the spots that may be covered by too much glitter. So you kind of have to eye this and just figure out what you want and what you like. But I'm just brushing, diffusing, and adding color as I go. So it's really just adding, blending. Then I just add a little bit more glitter where I see I don't have that much or I would like it to be. And now I'm taking my e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm just creating a line for my lashes and to tie the look together. I'm not creating an actual wing because I just did not want to take away from the glitter, and I wanted this to be soft and round, and yeah. So just a simple line, nothing too fancy, girl. Then I'm going in with these mist lashes. I'll have the number in the description box below. And I am spraying and priming my face with this Rimmel London Stay Matte setting spray. And then I'm going in with my Wet n Wild matte primer on top of that. I really love this combo. It made my foundation real smooth or whatever. So this may become a thing. And I just blend that in. It kind of woke up my skin, refreshed it. Now I'm taking my Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation in 11A Nutmeg. And I'm blending that in with my Sonia Kashuk sponge from Target. Y'all, this sponge is thebomb.com, okay? Look, listen, maybe giving the Beauty Blender a run for their money, but I don't know. It's so good. I love it, and it's just the perfect size to get all over your face. So You might want to check that out. Try it out. Now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey, oldie but a goodie. And I am highlighting under my eyes, on my forehead, and my chin. And then I'm going on top of that with my Wet n Wild Photofocus Concealer. And I think this is medium tan. I'll have it down below, y'all. And then I'm blending it out with the sponge. Now I'm taking my black opal setting powder in 400 medium, and I'm just using this to set certain areas on my face. So around my mouth, smile lines, the bottom portion of my face, my forehead, and my nose. Then I'm going in with this black Radiance banana powder, and I'm going to set all the highlighted areas. So underneath my eyes, and I'm using a light layer. I pat the sponge in, I blow it, dust it off, and then I pat it in. We're not baking. We don't want to look ashy, crusty, or dusty. That's not cute. And then I'm placing that, like I said, in all the areas that I normally would put concealer. I'm putting it down the bridge of my nose. And now I'm going into that color in the Morphe 39A palette to contour with. It was close by, so I was like, this is what we're going to do. And I'm just placing that in all the areas I want to look chiseled, slim, snatched, all of the above. Then I am contouring my nose so we can snatch it a little bit. And y'all, this gum was so good. I was so hungry, so if you see me chomping on this gum, look, I'm sorry. But I am just carving out my contour with my black Radiance powder, or my black opal powder, and a little bit of the black Radiance powder. And now I'm taking all three of those shades that we used on our eyes at the top underneath my lash line to complete the look, on the eyes at least. And then I'm taking the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I think this is Blackest Black. I'm blending my lashes with the falsies, and then I'm doing my lower lashes. And I always do this step, the mascara, after I put on my lashes because my lashes are too curly to do it from the get-go. So that works for me. If you have super curly lashes, it may work for you, sis. Try it out. I'm dusting away any of the excess powder that is trying to not let me be great. Now I'm going into those shades and using that as a blush. You can use a lot of different stuff for different stuff, y'all. Don't feel limited. So now I'm taking this highlighter from Shop Miss A. I'll have it down below. And I am illuminating my face. So bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, my cheeks, and those spots on my forehead. Then I'm taking this NYX Vivid Brights liner, and I don't know the exact color, have it down below, and I'm creating these eye dots. I thought this was really cute to kind of add to the look, so I'm just putting one on the inner corner and three on the outer corner. Then I'm just drawing my faux mole with my auto liner, my eyeliner. It's black. And then I'm taking that same Rimmel London Stay Matte setting spray and setting the whole face. Then I'm going to pat that in with my sponge to make sure everything melts. And now I'm taking this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Rome. And this went perfect with the look. So I'm just kind of starting off on the bottom. I didn't put on any lip liner or anything like that. This is such like a lip color. So it was perfect with no liner. And it matched our eyes. Now I'm taking that foundation, girl, what? That eyeshadow shade with a small brush and just kind of defining the edges of the lip. And that is it.